The Memonizer Wireless builds its active field on the installed device regardless of the type of installation shown below. Open the battery compartment of the wireless mouse. Place the Memonizer Wireless on the batteries with the memon logo facing up and close the battery compartment again. That's it. If the bottom or the side wall of the battery compartment of the wireless mouse is flat, place the Memonizer Wireless with the memon logo facing down or back in the battery compartment. Insert the batteries if necessary and close the battery compartment again. That's it. Remove a controller from the holder. Place a Memonizer Wireless as close as possible to the connection contacts on the controller. Peel off the adhesive film from the carrier paper, stick the adhesive film over the Memonizer Wireless, and press the adhesive film on firmly. That's it. You can then slide the controller back into the holder. Repeat the installation on the second controller.